guys, this is Mommy Tay of Life and Beauty with Mommy Tay. Welcome again to another vlog. For today, I'm gonna show you my first ever JuJuBe bag packing video, and I'm going to unpack and pack my Be Light in Tokipops. Okay, a little bit of a background for today. I'm right here in my car, and I was really running late earlier today. I have lots of errands for today, and so I just tossed everything in my Be Light bag, including the empty pieces, so that I can reorganize. I can reorganize everything inside the car before I continue in my errand. So okay, come on, let's see, go. So here's my bag, and as you can see, it's kind of full right now, and I just literally tossed everything that I need. But first, let me get my tripod so it'll be easier for me to do this video. Okay, so here, as in everything, I just tossed everything, and I'll unpack first, and then let's see if I can organize. Let's see what I tossed here. See, I have an umbrella. Let's just toss everything. Oh my! Okay, so this is pretty much everything I tossed inside my bag. Okay, so let's start packing my Be Light in Tokipops. See how nice this print is. I have Donatella, and yeah, I have moss here, have sandy here, so I think this is PPP for me. And yeah, and I super duper love the blue lining here. And what I love about the Be Light bags, it's very light. Even if you put everything inside, it's super duper light, and it's very comfortable to use. And yeah, just like that, if you need anything, just toss it inside, and this can hold so much. Okay, so let's try packing this. So I have my I'm a Panda notebook and my planner. Let's try putting this inside. Okay, I have here my extra face mask and used face mask. Okay, and this is my emergency makeup kit. So if I have just like now, I wasn't able to do my makeup because I was really running late, so I just grabbed my C-Punk medium set piece with all my makeup necessities for just a very light makeup. I have my cushion foundation, my blotting paper, lip scrub, lip balm from Mary Kay, another lip balm, CC cream, lipstick, contour and highlight stick. What else? And I have a Victoria's Secret perfume here, roller ball, and my brow tint. Yeah, so this is my emergency makeup kit. I'll put it in the side so it will be easier to pull it out. And I have my 12 little white pouch. Okay, so here's the tricky part. I have here my Tokipops B set. Okay, I don't want anything loose inside my bag, so I want to put everything in the B set. For example, right now I have so I have here my medium set piece. I want to put the Okay. My markers, my sign pens, and my alcohol here. Just I also have my essential oil, my inhaler, and my essential oil. I'll put it in here. Tokipops, small set piece. Oh, what a nice print also. Okay. And all my phone. So these are my Trust Keith card wallet, card holder. And this is my favorite set piece. I use this as my ID holder, some cash here, some receipts, and yeah, and an extra phone, so it'll be easier to grab everything, my phone and my wallet here, which also have a wonderful print placement here, a lot of sandies. You can see it's now well organized. Okay, and I want to put my umbrella, small umbrella here, yeah, inside the pocket, and it's very deep pocket, and my Merkey thermos, my Merkey tumbler, okay, here. And yeah, nice organization for the Be Light. And as you can see, okay, there's still some space here. Such a great bag for an overpacker like me. So, and that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and